cannot move on their own.
Plants need sunlight, air, water, and soil to survive. Without these things, plants will die. Non-flowering plants. Some plants do not have flowers. They are called non-flowering plants. For example, mint, green, onion, honey plant. Flowering plants. Some plants have flowers. They are called flowering plants. Jasmine flower, sunflower, rose. Food plants. The flower of some plants go into food. Such plants are called food bearing plants. Reporting of plants make our